Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk a little bit about the various cooking modes you can find on our Slimline microwave range. I've got here the CD58 model. Of course, if you've got a CT model, all the cooking modes are exactly the same. You'll just have a slightly different control panel with touch buttons rather than the dial that we've got here on the CD58 model. So first things first, let's have a look at the first cooking mode we're going to look at, which is the convection mode in the top left of the control panel here. Really easy to operate. Press it once, it's going to bring up a temperature. Keep pressing it and it'll increase that temperature. And once you're happy, use the dial to change the timer and then press start, and that will immediately begin the preheating process. Really straightforward cooking mode for convection. Obviously great for any foods that essentially are best cooked in an oven. Next up, let's have a look at the grill cooking mode. Again, pretty straightforward. The grill cooking mode comes with 3 presets. We've got level 3, level 2 and level 1. Obviously level 3 is your highest and level 1 is your lowest power level there. So that's grill. Obviously that's going to use the top down heat function, so really good for things like melting cheese on toast and other sort of various bits of food that you would grill. Next, we've got the good old-fashioned microwave mode. Of course, this comes with quite a few different presets. We've got high mode, medium high power, medium power, low power. Then we've got the simmer mode, defrost mode, of course, if you're wanting to defrost anything that's frozen, keep warm mode, as well, and then back to high. Just with the other cooking modes, you use that dial to adjust the timer. We've got a separate video all about the air fry mode and how you can use it, so do check that out. The same with the combination mode as well. We do talk through some of the options there. But other than that, you have of course got the auto cook mode. Oh, I just need to come out of that cooking mode first. You have got the auto cook mode, and once you press that, we've got about 16 different presets in that mode. So you can select the one that's best for you. For example, this one is frozen pizza. You can use the dial to adjust the approximate weight of the food you're cooking in the auto cook mode, and then press start to go. Simple as that. So that's just a really brief overview over some of the cooking modes you can find on our Slimline microwave range. For more information, do check out our channel for more videos, or head to our online store to purchase. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.